Learning and Development Manager in the Riyadh. Thank you all for your interest in joining this course. Actually, the LEED Green Associate Training is part of our 2024 training plan. And this training is fully supported by the CEO himself. He stated the importance about that. Due to the high demand about the course, we have more than 100 applicants. So we agreed with all HODs and the senior management. So the one who will just miss 2 sessions, he will be moved to the attendees for the waiting list, and he will only receive the recordings, not attend the other one, because we have just like a full list of the attendees that more than 81 that needs to join the course. So this course is the objective of the course is to uplift your skills in the sustainability and the LEED green buildings. So please benefit from the course to the max. We have here a capable trainee, Engineer Ashraf. He has a long experience in delivering the training in the LEED Green Associates, and also as well has some quite good numbers of the trainees that has been passed the exam. So please benefit from the course to the max. Anything that you need related to the course, I'm here. I will be joining you to every session. If you need any request, anything, I will be glad actually to serve you. Another thing, today's session is only for 2 hours, but for the other sessions, it will last for 3 hours. So as a good start, so Engineer Ashraf, you can start the course.
Okay, thank you, Doctor. Hello, everyone. This is very interesting course about LEED Green Associate. So I will explain everything about the LEED certificate, administrative and technical parts, which is the parts of the course. This is an interesting course because green buildings now are the trend. Green buildings is a trend now in the market. Having no knowledge or limited knowledge about green buildings now, it means a knowledge gap. We all know project management and knowledge gaps. So we need to study this course to cover a knowledge gap before a development. It's a knowledge gap because it's a part of everyone work now. Sometimes they ask me a cost engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, project managers, senior managers, contracts, all. The course have administrative part and communication part and protocols, and these are part of everyone's job. Have also technical part, have environmental part, have social part, economic part. Don't expect something difficult. We will make it very easy. We will connect our study to our real world or real case studies from our work. We will be open to questions. So anyone ask a question, you can ask. I divide the lectures into small parts, so I have a chance to speak 5-10 minutes for every part, because this is a LEED structure. It's a small parts. Every part have some topics. And then I give you, after I finish my explanation, the chance to ask questions. So don't worry about questions. Once I finish, I will give you a chance to ask questions. As I said, I want to introduce myself quick. I'm LEED instructor, sustainability manager, senior manager in some companies here, and I train the LEED, and I am also accredited trainer from the United States Green Building Council. The right are my certificates from the active ones, but I have others not active. And I teach LEED also, and some other also green buildings. Your opinion about the course is very important. We always receive an excellent feedback. So we'll give a chance also to hear from you about the course and how you enjoy the material and the explanation of every part of the LEED Green Associate. Inshallah, we expect you, the attendees, to get certified or to get accredited by USGBC. I will help you to do that easily and quickly within 1 to 3 months from today. If you follow my guidance, I assure you, you will have a title LEED Green Associate very soon. First, I always like to hear from the attendees. Please, maybe just your name and title. Of course, you are all in the same company until I just adjust the slides. So please, if you go ahead, please open microphone and tell me about your title or what you do, your work in a simple words. So because we are 22 now, and your name. Let's go, Mr. Khalid.
Yes, my name is Khalid Al Hutan. I am an architect in the Riyadh.
Okay. Mr.
Hello.
Philip.
Yes, this is Muhammad Javeed. I am an architect in Dar Al Riyadh at Sela project. Blue.
Okay. Nice
Alaikum,
meeting you.
Mustafa Gab, design manager, architect.
Okay, mashallah, all architect. Okay, next you can look at the list participant. Next is Mr. Philip or Ahmed.
Yes, Ahmed Wahba, Urban Planning Project Manager.
Okay, nice to meet you. Mr. Raid. Read, لا, this is a robot. If someone recording backup, it's okay. No issue. I allowed, but I am recording anyway. So keep it as a backup in case of any emergency. Mr. Ali Al Sawar. Please, if you already finished, close your microphone because some noise. Mr. Ali Al Sawar.
Yes, I am Ali Al Swal, architect engineer in Dar Riyadh, assistant operation manager.
Okay, mashallah. Next one. Mr. Anwar Judah.
Hello everybody, I'm Anwar Jude. I'm an architect in Dar al Riyadh with the Remat project.
Okay. Mr. Islamuddin.
Assalamu alaikum. I am architect Islamuddin from Dar al Riyadh.
All right. Mr. Arafat. Engineer Asil. Engineer Hatim. Okay, maybe cannot speak. Engineer Khalid. Sharif. Khalid Sharif.
Yes, Khalid Sharif, project manager Dar Riyadh.
Recording in progress.
Okay, shukran. Mr. Khalid Al Tamimi. Please turn off your
I am the same one, Khalid Al Hutan.
turn off your microphone. See if you finish. Yes. Mr. Khalid Tamimi, please go ahead.
I am an architect, Khalid Al Hutan. The first one.
Okay, shukran. Mr. Rizq. Mr. Rizq Ramadan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
My name is Engineer Ramadan, architect. I manage the project in Dar Riyadh.
Okay,
Senior
Mr. Samer.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
Samer
salam.
Idris, Senior Architect, NHC Project. Dar
Okay.
Riyadh.
Mr. Saeed Al-Qahtani.
السلام عليكم سعيد قحطاني بروجكت مانجر NHC.
أهلا وسهلا. Mr. Walid.
السلام عليكم. I am Walid Merghan Ibrahim Idris, architect from Riyadh. والسلام.
All right, welcome all. Anyone did not? I passed. Anyone still?
Hello,
السلام
this is
Senior Architect محمد بابكر.
Yeah, welcome. Then.
this is Ruaf Nahas. I'm also an architect at Dar al Riyadh.
All right. أهلا رواف. Okay. Seems you mostly 99.9 architects. Anyone not architect? Okay, it's a good surprise. I'm architect also, okay? Originally architect. So all architects always enjoy this subject. All right. As I said also, let me again back. I started these green buildings 20 years ago. Started to know about green buildings. Now, mashallah, green buildings are in the schools and in the colleges. And I participated also in educational course in Mansoura University here in Egypt. This is my last activity in training. Plus, I do some projects, LEED projects, and I obtain many certificates. So, any questions, you can assume I am your brother here. And we can also speak about some professional things, some projects, some issues in the projects. You are welcome to discuss that also, not only the course. So in front of us, the course content, and we will be very clear, very organized. We will take this one by one. After we finish the chapter, we'll have some quiz. So you will be required to answer the quiz. Don't worry about anything about the exam. Just enjoy the material. I will get you there. I will get you there very easy and very quickly for LEED GA. Okay. You are all qualified. You have enough experience. You just need to know what are these concepts and what are these requirements. And fortunately, the LEED Green Associate just focus in main concepts and main coordination and main process. The most important, I believe, in LEED GA is chapter 1 and chapter 2 because it explains the whole process. In front of us, can you see? Why I consider it, after I teaching this 15 years, it's important because this communication, protocols, requirements. The LEED is another consultant in addition, or another party, external party in addition to other project parties. We used to deal with PMC, client, consultants. So another one to be added is United States Green Building Council. So how this process will go is what we need to know. And this is very, very important. The other chapters, starting chapter 3, are, we call it technical part. So what we're going to do as a work itself here, but we focus in the LEED GA level in the concepts, the basics, and what we need to do, or the general knowledge. When we go to LEED AP, then we will go through every credit and every detail. But just to feel, don't worry. If I take LEED GA, I can work in the LEED and so on. Yes, because the LEED GA and LEED AP, the same topics in front of us. But when we are in LEED GA, we just focus in the concepts. When we are LEED AP, we focus on more details. But I'll give you some details here that is enough for the exam and for the work. And then you have the reference guide for LEED AP. You can now open and see what you need specific, for example, to architectural part or architectural design or passive design and so on. Okay, so you don't need to memorize this because this is our content through the course. We'll go through one by one. If anything or any standard or any part you need to remember, you need to memorize, I'll tell you, please remember that for the exam. And I'll give you many hints, many notes. Just keep it. Listen to my explanation very well. Every concept I explain. Some engineers just go through the videos very quickly. No, not here. Understand, enjoy every word. You will go to the exam. You are master. You can answer any question because you have the basics. You understand all the concepts. So first, introduction to green buildings. We'll have a nice and light introduction, and then we'll have some break for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. The total duration today may be 2 hours and 15 minutes, because break is always not counted in our time. So after this nice introduction, we'll allow for break. We will start the level of any engineer. Anyone have background or don't have background will understand our content. So be patient. I believe some of you know these parts, but I am giving you now what is the content or required for the LEED GA exam. Some parts you know very well, some parts you don't know, then you can fill these gaps. Sometimes you know all, but you need to arrange your info and know what is required. I believe in sometimes the one who don't know better because he will build from zero, but sometimes you know something and it's not correct. And here the trick. We need to learn new concepts, rearrange our information about green buildings, and correct some misunderstanding of some green building concepts, which is the most important. So let's search or look, everyone look by himself to which area he have corrected some concepts he knows and now become another, he have another vision to the same concepts after this course. First, everything is clear. Do you have anything, you can comprehend clearly my explanation, the voice, the screen, everything is okay? Okay, you can write. If you cannot speak, you can always write in the text box in blue if you have any comment or not. Mr. Ali say, I want to raise my voice. Is it a note for all or just for him? Write in the text box. The voice should be very clear, very loud and very clear. Okay, try to just raise the volume. I'm using a professional microphone and it should be very clear, not just normal. It should be excellent voice, okay? So if it's below excellent, tell me. I will not accept it. It should be excellent voice, okay?
دكتور الفويس واضح بس إنه بعيد، والله بعيد، يعني مقرب راسي من السماعات عشان أسمع.
What about like this? Better? Okay, allow me just a pause. few seconds.